Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Enoch here, giving a weekly overview for our first week of planned instruction, which is the week of April 14th to April 17th, Tuesday to Thursday. Give me not really right in my screen. Okay, here we go. So, you guys can find this planned instruction in the planned instruction folder right here. I'll be keeping the updates section updated every couple days. As you can see, there's an attendance check-in quiz. This quiz is not graded. This quiz is just as a way to get a sense for me who has digitally checked in for attendance. You guys do have to check in by Wednesdays each week. I'll make that kind of known for everybody, but that's going to be an expectation from me. If you're not checking in through the attendance quiz by Wednesday, I assume that you are quote unquote absent, and then I gotta reach out to you, usually through Schoology. I might reach out home to make sure you guys are okay. Each day of the week, you guys are gonna have a different folder to do. Our first week's theme is gonna be fear. So for today, or for Tuesday, April 14th, you guys have an assignment based around the idea of fear. You have a nonfiction piece to read and answer a question about. On Wednesday, yours is going to be about atmosphere, imagery, and setting. You guys have a piece from Edgar Allan Poe. I'll have a video up going over that lesson soon here. On Thursday, you guys are going to have a lesson on suspense. You guys are going to read a short excerpt from a selection called The Monkey's Paw, and you guys are going to do a little writing about what makes that so suspenseful. And then the last one, we're going to write about themes related to fear, and I have a short poem you guys are going to read, reflect on, and just remember, you work through each day. Try to do them as the days go. Now, you can do them on your own time, so if you would fall behind and say have to do everything on Friday, you could. Just make sure you're checking with the attendance quiz, and by then I'm probably going to have reached out to you to make sure you're okay. Other than that, make sure if you have any questions, reach out to me. This is new to me. I'm working entirely through Schoology, which means if I screw something up with Schoology, I need to know. So if a video is not working, if a quiz isn't working, reach out to me. That way we can troubleshoot that. I'm also going to put up a discussion board with any questions so you can type them right in, and you don't even have to worry about emailing me. And that way too, if you're having trouble with something in any regard, maybe a classmate can help as well. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a good week. I'm going to probably be updating some stuff. Might have another video. But other than that, please have a good day and have a good week, and excited to work with you guys online.